1.
Hello everyone, my name is Dilip Kumar. I have been teaching maths for last 5 years. I am a math teacher, so I am going to teach a topic of coordinate geometry of class 10, which is the given questions. In what ratio does the x-axis divide the line segment joining the point 2, -3 and 5, 6, and also find the coordinate of the point of intersection. Before starting the question, we know some important formula related to the intersection formula. Students, as you know that when a point A of coordinate x1, y1 and a point B x2, y2. If a point P which is divide the line AB into the ratio m1 ratio m2. So the coordinate of point P which can be calculated by section formula or basically internal section internally. So the coordinate of x is m1 plus में m2, similarly m1 x2 plus में m2 x1, same as the coordinate of y m1 m2 m1 y2 m2 y1. So this is the formula to calculate the intersection points when a line segment divided by a point P. Now, if the coordinate lies on the x-axis, as you know that a point lies on the x-axis, if any point lies on the x-axis, here always the coordinate of y becomes 0. So, the given question 2, -3 and 5, 6. Let a point P, the coordinate x, 0, because the point is lies on a x-axis, so the coordinate of y is 0. Now it divide m1 ratio m2. So ratio, we can calculate the ratio by using section formula. So by using the section formula, we can calculate the ratio in which point P divide the line segment AB. So because the point P lies on an x-axis, so their coordinate of y is 0. So we can calculate through the y coordinate of y, which is m1, m2, m1, y2, m2, y1. Coordinate of y is 0, m1, m2, m1, y2, the value of y2 is 6, m2, the value of y1 -3. This value, whenever multiplied by 0 is 0. 6 m1 minus 3 m2. When the 6 minus 1 is comes to our left side, is become so the m1 upon m2 is 3 upon 6, which is 1 upon 2. So the ratio of m1 m2 is 1:2. This is the simple. Always when we calculate, suppose we are calculate the same question with the y-axis, so we can calculate by through the x coordinate, which is become 0. Now you can calculate the same question within the second by using the ninja technique. If P lies on x-axis, so m1 upon m2 is minus y1 upon y2. This is the trick which is used to calculate the ratio in a 5 second. Same as. So the same question is calculated when the question is in a 3 marks, 2 marks, so you can calculate by this method. When the same question is in a objective point of view, so we can calculate through this formula. m1 upon m2 is equal to minus y1 upon y2. If the point P lies on a y-axis, so the formula for m1 upon m2 is equal to minus y1 upon y2. So the x coordinate, so minus y1 upon y2. When the y coordinate, so minus x1 upon x2. Thank you.